Step 1. Brush the hair through. Using hairspray around the hairline, brush the hair up into a high ponytail and secure with elastic. Step 2. With the ponytail, create a 5-strand braid all the way down to the nape. A top tip when creating a 5-strand braid is divide the hair into 5 and remember that the hair from either side needs to go under, then over the top and drop to the centre. Repeat that until you've reached the ends of the hair and secure with elastic. Step 3. Twist the braid around the ponytail until you have achieved your required shape. Step 4. Secure with pins and leave the ends of the braid out for more texture.